gonna do? What are we gonna do today? We're gonna open surprise mystery bag. Yeah?
Yeah.
I got 3 mystery bag for you, baby. Can you show me in your finger how many are 3? Can you count 3? There you go. 1.
Cookie.
Yes. Can you count with me? 1. Count. 2. 3. Yeah, what is that, baby?
I got more.
Let's look. Let me see. These are the 2018 Thomas Friends Mini. That's our neighbor. BabyChu.
Dama mommy. More open.
We can do that. Almost just biting a piece off so he could open it himself. What do we have? Let's see. Is it cool, baby?
Mama.
Oh no! Dino Gator fell over. Oh no! Sugar Daddy fell over too. And Dino James also fell over. Help them up. How do you help them up?
Yeah.
Chiku. Help them up. There you go. Dino James up. Sugar Daddy's up. How about the other one? How about the Dino Gator? How about Dino Gator? Where are you gonna put Dino Gator?
Right there.
Right there, right in front. How do you do it? Chugga, shugga, 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 shoo, shoo.
Right there.
Right there? So we move it, we can move it. Chugga, shugga, 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 shoo, shoo. You know what? I have more surprise for you. We can have more!
What now?
I'm gonna give you more! Ta-da!
Wow!
Wow! So those are the last ones we have. Oh, don't forget the trash. We have to put the trash away, baby. Wee! So we have 4 more. So if it's 3 plus 4, how many do we get?
I want baby.
You gotta answer me first, baby. If it's 3 plus 4, what do you get?
Mommy, bye-bye.
No, it's not fun. You get 7.
Bye.
So you're gonna have... Oh, there you go, baby. Now I'm gonna do the rest. It's one of Thomas' coaches. It's Annie. Annie, yeah, that's right.
Đêm. Tại
Sugar Daddy.
Bắp Daddy.
Thomas.
Daddy.
Dragon Spencer.